Welcome back to the session. I heartily welcome everyone to Math Simplified by HM. Today our mission is to explore and formally prove the tangent segment theorem, a truly fascinating property of geometry. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, share it with your well-wishers and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on. It really helps the channel out. Now grab your notebook, pause the video whenever you need a moment to think, and let us get started. The tangent segment theorem, a visual proof. The scenario: given a circle with center A, point D is in the exterior of the circle. Lines DP and DQ touch the circle at points of contact P and Q. Our objective: we need to prove the tangent segments drawn from the external point to the circle are congruent. That means to prove segment DP is congruent to segment DQ. For this, we have to do a small construction. To reveal the relationship, we build an internal framework. Draw radius AP and draw radius AQ. Draw segment AD. The tangent theorem. Before we compare, we must recall a fundamental rule. A tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at that point of contact. Therefore, angle APD is equal to 90 degree and angle AQD is equal to 90 degree. Comparing the triangles. In right angled triangle PAD and right angled triangle QAD, the legs segment PA is congruent to segment QA, radii of the same circle. The angles APD is congruent to angle AQD, both 90 degree. And hypotenuse AD is congruent to AD, common side of both triangle. Now we come to the proof step. By the right angle hypotenuse side congruence theorem, triangle PAD is congruent to triangle QAD. Therefore, DP is equal to DQ by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Hence, tangent segments from an external point are always congruent. We have proved the theorem statement. Thanks for your fantastic focus today. I want to leave you with this final thought. Just as the external point creates equal tangents, your dedication and intelligence are two sides of the same success story, equally important and congruent. To support the channel, please like, share this video with your colleagues and friends, and subscribe with the bell icon turned on to stay updated. Enjoy the great time, and I look forward to seeing you all next time.